couple weeks ago when I made my FMS collection video, this arrived on the doorstep. So if you saw that mystery box at the end, this is what it was. The Max Smasher. It's a 124 scale, ready to run monster truck. It's available in two colors, the white, the blue. Comes with the FMS radio, a USB charger, some basic tools, O-rings for the shock so you can go add oil yourself, some shock preload clips, and some plastic lockout gears. It also comes with water transfer decals if you want to go and customize the body. Since I get the question all the time, I'll have links in the video description. They are affiliate links that helps us here on the channel and doesn't cost you any extra. Now we can take a quick look at the trucks, and I say a quick look because these are just like the FCX24 crawler. The only big difference, visible difference, is the body, wheels, and tires. There are a couple other little changes that I'm going to show you, but they're very similar, which is really good for FCX24 fans because you could add this to the lineup and share parts with this truck. All right, absolutely love the bodies, number one. They're not licensed, but they are a hard body. I'm thinking it's a late 70s Ford F-150. Let me know what truck you think it is in the comment section below. The blue is painted. The white is actually painted as well. Then we have lots of chrome parts. The grille, bumper, roll bar, rear bumper looks really good. Clear windows tinted from the factory, red taillights in the rear. The headlights, they have LED lights behind them. The body itself is just clipped on, much like the FCX24. We've got the little tabs below that clip into the chassis, and they're actually much easier to get to than check out these Chevron tires. Feels like just air on the inside, really squishy, but like how soft these tires are. And then the chrome wheels look absolutely awesome. Nice deep dish there. Now, this truck, as you probably know, has portal axles because the FCX24 did, and it's a little odd to see it on a monster truck. However, look at the stance of this thing. I think the truck just looks really good like this. Composite plastic chassis, your battery tray is in the center. The suspension is like we saw on the FCX24, just spring-loaded friction dampers from the factory, plastic link suspension, then up front, just your simple plastic links, and then the axles. Check out those portal axles. Now, I did go and take these apart, metal ring and pinion gears and metal internal gears in the differential. The portal housings have metal gears in them as well. I did notice that the diff was well greased, but there wasn't any grease on the portal gear. So heads up there, guys. 2-speed transmission. These slider drive shafts in the center are a bit thicker than the FCX24 crawler. Now let's go over the electronics. Your basic micro steering servo up front, your 2-in-1 speed controller receiver combo, the LiPo battery, and then the Power Dash S130 motor. Can't wait to see what type of power it puts out, especially when we've got that 2-speed in second gear. Max Smasher is looking mighty impressive. Time to charge up the battery and head out to smash some terrain. It's been raining out, so things are about to get messy. Watch the bouncy suspension go through the rocks. Speed check, here's first gear. That's a pretty slow crawl. Now second gear. That's better. One thing you can't do is turn too sharp. For going through the mud. Here we go. All right, let's force the Smasher to get some air. After some outdoor driving in the dirt, through a little bit of mud, and even some indoor driving, not with the same truck, I've come to the conclusion that the FMS Max Smasher is a really good bang for your buck. It's a fun little monster truck. To be honest with you, you're probably not going to use it in low gear that much, and high gear gives you the fun that you need to get a little bit of air under the tires. It steers well, and you can't crank the wheels too much, otherwise it does roll over. But overall, it's a fun truck. Even with the stock springs just bouncing around, Adds to the fun factor a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna go add some oil with those optional O-rings included in the kit. That's a nice little bonus, and you do have to do a little bit of work, but you get to work on your model. That's what part of the fun is. And there are a lot of parts for this available already, aftermarket parts and even brushless systems, so you could totally amp up the fun of this truck. I think a lot of people are gonna customize it, and we're gonna see this mini segment really grow.